To go to Riyadh, we'll go to Riyadh Air Carriers, type it under Google, and we click on carriers, and the website will open. And this is it. Very beautiful website, Riyadh Air Carriers. So we scroll up: pilot, cabin crew, engineering, commercial and guest experience, digital and innovation, corporate. These are the departments that are in Riyadh Air. So what we want to know is candidate sourcing, assessment and recruitment services are provided by a third-party service provider on behalf of Riyadh Air. So which means the recruitment is not done directly by Riyadh Air. It's a recruitment consultant that is conducting the interviews for Riyadh Air. So we click and we go to current opportunities. But before then, you need to create an account. That's the first thing you're going to do, create an account with them. Let's check out the current opportunities. So there are just two: senior product manager, senior onboarding officer. We scroll back up again and we go to future opportunities. So which future opportunities means the departments that would be available for vacancy in the future. So I'm not surprised. There will always be recruitment for pilots, cabin crew, commercial, guests, practically all the departments. So let's click on cabin crew because that's what we are more interested in. And once you click on cabin crew, you scroll up. Once we've read through what they expect, you click on apply. Just like what I said, create an account. So once you create an account, this is the step to creating an account with them. You put in your first name, last name, email, confirm your email, choose your password. And once you've done that, I already have an account with them, so that's why my laptop is showing this. Then you submit your registration. Ideally, once you submit your registration, what's going to come out is a place where you submit your CV, so that your CV can be so you can submit your CV with them, and they'll give you updates on when they're going to hold cabin crew recruitment. So that's about it about applying to Riyadh Air. However, I would like to find out more things about Riyadh Air, because if you're interested in working in a company, you should know more about what the company entails. So I'm going to go to I clicked on home, so that's why it came to welcome to Riyadh Air. So I'm going to go back and I'll click on about us. We want to know about Riyadh Air. I want to know about their journey because I'm interested in working for them. Okay. Riyadh Air seeks to lead aviation industry by transforming Saudi Arabia. Then I'd like to know the leadership. The people who are at board of directors, COO, chief operating officer, chief executive officer. I'd like to know about that too. So I scroll up and I click on view leadership. So this is the chairman of Riyadh Air, and slowly, let's do it slowly so we can see them. So these are the top management in Riyadh Air. His name is H.E. Yasser Rumayan, and these are the directors. These are the directors. So I'm also interested in knowing, I know the CEO is Mr. Tony Douglas. And I want to know who the COO is. COO means Chief Operating Officer. So let's go to executive management. So the Chief Financial Officer is Mr. Adam Bukadida. Chief Commercial Officer, Mr. Vincent Kwat. Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Peter Bellew. Chief Corporate Development Enablement Officer, Mr. Ray Gamel, and others. Senior Counsel, Senior Vice President, Marketing and Corporate Communication. Okay,